Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to add and manage voice assistant for your earbuds LG TONE Free. Firstly we need to add it for the gesture, because by default you cannot call it. To do this, open LG TONE Free application, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the application. Once you did it, you will see the same menu as I have right here. Now you need to scroll down and you need to find touch function, and it's a fourth line. So firstly, of course, it should be enabled, so if the slider have empty background, just tap on it and then go to detailed settings. Now decide you wanna use single press, double press or triple press to call voice assistant, and after that I'm going to use single press, and then decide you wanna use the left or right earbud and tap at the best one for you. Tap on it, and right here you need to select voice command, and also you need to click confirm to save it. But as I said before, that we can add it also for the double and triple press. So as you can see, I tap on it, and also right here I have a voice command. So yeah, you can add it to another gesture. Now let's check it. So I press one time at my left earbud, and maybe I will put it to my ear. Touch area is located at the back side. Right here you have a dot. This is actually a touch area. So you just press on it. And now, as you can see, I just awake voice assistant, so it worked. If you have Gemini, if you set up Gemini, not Google Assistant, you will call Gemini. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.